good luck to her. It's a big job.
Yeah, it'd be nice to be able to control it, right? If it does come back. And it's come back, it's patchy, and it's not nearly as bad as it was 2 months ago, which is good, but there have been some reports of some fish kills. We're going to have another report come out midweek tomorrow. We are looking at the Van Wezel webcam. We had some sunshine this morning. Clouds come in this afternoon, and that's a little associated with the system trying to develop in the Gulf of Mexico, which is going to bring some changes our way. Beautiful sunset tonight as the sun went below the horizon there. A few clouds off in the distance. There's still a few showers around, very light. We can expect warm temperatures all the way through 11, 74 degrees, and some clouds down again. Here are the headlines as they read. A good chance for some showers and even a few thunderstorms. It doesn't appear to be severe at this point. There's just not enough contrast in temperatures and also not enough lift around to create severe weather, but we'll watch it and monitor it. I know we had that a couple fronts ago, that same situation. Those storms did turn severe, but right now it doesn't look the same as in play. Chilly weather late Thursday. You'll start to notice a temperature drop in the afternoon. Once the front moves through, temperatures will hold steady and then drop throughout the night. In fact, low temperatures on Friday morning will be down into the mid-50s for the most part. We'll get back to average temperatures, which is nice because our average is into the upper 70s. We haven't been there in a while. We're in the mid to upper 80s as of late. That'll happen on Saturday and Sunday, so it should make for a really nice weekend as high pressure builds in. Lots of sunshine. Enjoy it because we haven't had much of a taste of fall this fall at all. Well, here it is. This is the storm system that's gaining some strength, and the area of low pressure will develop in the Gulf of Mexico, kind of scoot along North Florida and then eventually ride up the mid-Atlantic coast states. With it, it will then have a cold front attached to it, and that cold front is still back here. Behind it, much cooler air. Out ahead of it, still very warm. And we'll have another day of warm temperatures tomorrow. Mid-80s expected, despite maybe a little increase in cloudiness due to this system out to our west and north. A light rain shower still lingering across parts of the sun coast. You can see we had a little taste of it earlier, and then a few showers are still dancing around. Not much, just a few sprinkles as far as that goes. Temperatures, look at this. This is what we're in store for eventually. 53 now in Pensacola, 60 in Tallahassee. It gets much warmer out ahead of the front into the 80s there across the peninsula. 78 near the coast, 80-degree water temperature. That'll start to cool too by the weekend. We'll get down into the 70s finally, mid-70s more than likely. The forecast tomorrow will start off warm, low 70s, mid-70s. That's summer-like, and we'll warm up still mid-80s. A good chance for rain moving in. Mainly rain, it looks like. As I said, though, there could be a few thunderstorms in the mix through Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Well, here it is. This is 2 p.m. Wednesday, and then Wednesday at 10 o'clock, still some showers and storms around, so Wednesday night rain. By Thursday, the front gets close to us. The prefrontal trough will be through. There's the low pressure. It goes up the mid-Atlantic coast states. The north winds start tomorrow. Looks like Thursday, I should say, Thursday afternoon, and continues on Friday. So it'll be a cool day on Friday. Highs will only be in the low 70s, right around 70 degrees, and the north wind will make it feel a little bit cooler there. But I'm not complaining. I'll enjoy it. I know that. And then we'll look at the long-range forecast calling for next Thanksgiving. This is a long-range forecast, so a lot can change, but the models are showing a storm system moving right into us on Thanksgiving Day. So we'll see how that plays out. Just something to keep an eye on as we move through time next week. You can see the rain amounts, not expected to be a whole lot, 0.2 of an inch possibly. This is really good news. This has lowered the chances the National Hurricane Center has to 20% due to some strong shear in the atmosphere, so that will not be a factor. Currently, we have some clouds around. It's 81 and winds are out of the west-southwest, and as far as the high goes today, we did warm to 87 degrees. Elsewhere across the U.S., not much going on with the central U.S., and they could use some rain out west. They're not getting much into California. Those fires still rage in some places. For boaters, it looks like this is shaping out to be a light chop on the bays and inland waters. Seas will be running 2 to 3 feet. We'll have showers and storms mainly in the afternoon and evening on the waters, so keep that in mind. The extended forecast ends 60% chance for rain in the afternoon and evening, 70% on Wednesday night. Drops to 40 in the morning, and then look at these cooler temperatures. Nice low 70s right through Saturday, mid 70s near the beaches, and then the coldest morning will be 52 on Saturday. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thank you.